Still drive past the street where we used to meet. Your laughter echoes in the cracks beneath my feet. I told myself I'd be fine, I'd let you go, but the city lights remind me of the love I used to know. Every song on the radio feels like a secret, only I know. I'm chasing memories I can't hold, but I keep spinning, spinning, spinning alone. Shadows in the rear view, fading like you do. I thought I left the past behind, but it's chasing me too. I'm dancing with the ghosts of what we used to be. Shadows in the rear view, but you're still haunting me. On the nights I feel cold, pretending I'm fearless, but inside I'm controlled by the moments we lost, the words never said, and the midnight tears I quietly shed. Every laugh, every fight, every good night that felt so right. I'm trapped in a loop I can't undo. The story's ending, but it's all about you. Shadows in the rear view, fading like you do. I thought I left the past behind, but it's chasing me too. I'm dancing with the ghosts of what we used to be. Shadows in the rear view, but you're still haunting me. Maybe one day I'll let the memories go. Maybe one day I'll learn to move slow. But tonight I'm driving headlights in the rain, whispering your name.